Welcome back to Session 7 of GED Geometry Review. A composite figure is just a shape built from simpler shapes. The whole strategy is to break it into rectangles, triangles, or circles you already know how to handle. There are only two moves. When pieces are joined together, you add their areas. When a piece is cut out, like a window, a door, or a hole, you subtract it. So the first question is always, are we adding or subtracting? Let's add. This L shape splits into two rectangles. The bottom piece is 6 by 2, which is 12. The top piece is 2 by 2, which is 4. 12 plus 4 gives 16 square units. Now let's subtract. We have an 8 by 5 rectangle with a 2 by 2 square cutout. The whole rectangle is 40. The cutout is 4. 40 minus 4 leaves 36 square units. Here is a real-world one. A wall is 10 by 6, and it has a 2 by 3 window that is not painted. The wall is 60. The window is 6. Painted area is 60 minus 6, which is 54 square units. The classic mistake is adding the cutout instead of removing it. If the problem says a piece was removed, taken out, or is a window or door, that area is subtracted. Quick check. A wall is 10 feet by 8 feet with a 3 by 6 window that is not painted. The wall is 80. The window is 18. Painted area is 80 minus 18, 62 square feet. To recap, break the figure into simple shapes. Add the pieces that are joined, and subtract the pieces that are cut out. Then keep your square units on the answer. Excellent work. Practice a couple of composite shapes on your own, and I'll see you next session.